We are headed to East Flagstaff Road. Good morning. Oh, shit.
Okay.
Good morning. Take two. I tripped when I tried to say good morning a second ago. Leffy and I just got dropped off at Route 27 where we got picked up the day before yesterday because yesterday was an amazing zero. Maybe the last one of the trail. So we are getting very, very close to the end. We are slack packing today. It should be our last big day, big climbs, maybe one of the last big days. And I mean, obviously Katahdin is going to be the last day, the last big day. And anyways, it's raining out, but hopefully it'll be really nice because that'll mean hopefully no bugs because it's also pretty cold. We are going 16.6 miles to East Flagstaff Road where the hostel is picking us up and taking us back. So we'll be in our warm bunks again tonight, which is going to be awesome. Just kind of treating ourselves and hoping my knees get a little bit better by slack packing. So my backpack is super tiny. There's barely anything in there, but you know, all the necessities to be safe, hopefully. Yeah, so hopefully the rain lets up and hopefully we make it. We'll see how today goes. Okay, we just walked past this tree. We walked past this trail before this tree had fallen. We got about like right up there. Then we both heard a noise and we turned around. I was just out of sight of it, but Leffy caught it with the corner of his eye. I don't know, he was able to see it fall because we heard it start to fall. And then we heard it fall, but I was like, it could have been I don't know, I didn't know exactly what it was. I've never seen like a tree fall in the woods.
It wasn't really that loud.
It wasn't that loud. It could have been like a bear, it could have been a moose like hitting the tree or something. But how cool, it's so crazy. We literally walked right here along the trail before this blowdown was here 2 seconds ago. Wow. It was ready to go. Crazy. Yeah. Look, another 2,000 mile marker. We made it 2,000 miles again. Even though we're probably at like, what, 2013 or 14?
13 probably.
13, maybe? Okay, so we made it up the 2,000 foot climb that we had coming off of the road. Now we're kind of just still about a mile away from South Horn Peak, which the trail actually crosses, and then it's a blue blaze up to North Horn Peak, but we're probably not going to do that. So yeah, we'll go down a little bit more, and I think like pretty much it's just like pretty up and down, and not too like the climbs aren't going to be super long anymore. We will have a long descent at the end of the day, I think, and it does look steeper. The climb up here was actually like not that bad, especially like if it was dry, it would have been like pretty nice. Yeah, what do you think?
I think so.
Yeah, like just it wasn't a rock wall for like that much. Definitely some rocks and everything, but
And a little
feeling good.
trip.
Oh yeah, and a little side trip. We got off trail a little bit. I let us down. I let us astray down a blue blaze for like, yeah, I don't know, 100 yards, and then we figured it out and went back. And
5 miles.
no, and then we got back on trail. So it's been raining. My pants are wet on the legs, but my knees are so thankful for my light load. Look at how tiny my pack looks. It's so amazing. So yeah, here we go. Hopefully the little climbs go well.
Sorry for the interjection.
You should be.
Huh?
Okay, just climbed out of the forest to these spectacular views.
Well, 4,000 a footer yet.
Oh, wait, what? It's not a 4,000 footer?
Nope.
Boo. Very, very close though. Crazy. We don't even know where we're going. Just down. Sad to miss these views, but happy to get up here. Okay. Oh. Wow. How did you do this?
I swung on the tree to your right. Wow.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah. We did it. Feels like freezing rain. Getting really cold.
Of course. Oh yeah. You made it. Okay. Let's go.
Where do we go?
I think so.
Okay, so we've made it 13.14 miles today. We are at the top of Little Bigelow Mountain, which is kind of like in the middle of this like ridge line. And we're about to just like go down. And here's the steep down, of course, right here. But I think it's not quite to the steep down yet. Like where we actually like descend a lot. So from here we only have a couple miles left to go.
Like three and a half.
3.5. Yay! And we should be there. Our shuttle ride to get back to the main hostel in Maine is picking us up at 5:30, which is actually earlier than we anticipated. So, yay! We're just talking about dinner tonight and the fact that we're probably gonna have frozen pizzas that they sell there at the hostel. It's not like close to that close. It's not, I don't know. It's easier to just buy stuff there than go to the store. Woo. Look how beautiful this forest is. We are almost done hiking for the day. How far do we have, Leffy?
Huh?
Do you know how far we have?
Oh, really?
Oh.
Less than 2 miles.
Less than 2 miles. Yay! Yay! Look how big the trees are in this area. So pretty. So tall. We made it to the road. Yay! It's still cold. It's probably not cold enough for this, but kind of. So my hand, everything's wet. We're all wet. But at least it's not like raining right now or sideways wind like it was on top of some of the mountains today. It's 5:20. We got here at 5:20, so that's a success. The shuttle's supposed to be here at 5:30. Hopefully that will also be a success. And then hopefully we'll successfully be driving back to the hostel and just enjoying being warm and dry and a hot shower and everything wonderful about life. Whew, we are back in the hostel. I'm back in my comfy loner clothes. I just took a shower and we're gonna make frozen pizzas for dinner and just relax. I have some editing work to do, and yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Thank you so much, or for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.